Hey there, Excel enthusiasts, data wranglers, and automation aficionados. Welcome to the Excel Mastery Hub, your go-to destination for all things Excel, Power Automate, and Power BI. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey to mastering these powerful tools. Whether you're a spreadsheet rookie or a seasoned data pro, our channel is tailor-made for anyone looking to harness the true potential of Excel, streamline tasks with Power Automate, and create insightful visualizations using Power BI. We're here to transform complex tasks into seamless processes and turn raw data into actionable insights. On this channel, we'll dive deep into Excel's hidden gems, unveiling advanced formulas, tips for efficient data manipulation, and creative solutions for everyday challenges. We'll automate your repetitive tasks with Power Automate, saving you time and energy, while also showing you how to design interactive dashboards that tell compelling stories with Power BI. Whether you're an Excel enthusiast aiming to elevate your skills, a professional seeking to streamline workflows, or a data lover eager to turn numbers into insights, you're in the right place. Our tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides will empower you to conquer spreadsheets, automate processes, and create visually stunning reports that captivate your audience. So, if you're ready to unlock the true potential of Excel, Power Automate, and Power BI, hit that subscribe button, and join our ever-growing community of learners. Together, we'll delve into the exciting world of data manipulation, automation, and visualization. Remember to ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest tips and tutorials. Get ready to transform your relationship with data and take your skills to the next level. Welcome to the Excel Mastery Hub. I can't wait to embark on this learning journey with you. Stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials.